Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Mount Bashir School. Today, in class 5 EVS, let us continue with chapter number 7. Now, students, let us come to this part of the chapter 7. Okay, India is one of the most beautiful places on earth, known as the land of rivers and diverse topography. Students, India is a very significant country in the continent of Asia. It is a very significant country, okay, in the continent of Asia. It is the most beautiful places on the earth. Okay, India is one of the most beautiful places on the earth and known as the land of rivers, means there are many rivers which flows in India. Okay, many rivers are there which flows in India, and diverse topography. What is the meaning of diverse? Diverse means very different from each other. Diverse means different from each other. And what do you mean by topography? Topography is the physical characteristics of an area of land, especially the position of its rivers, mountains, etc. Okay, it is the physical characteristics of an area of land, especially the position of its rivers, mountains, etc. Okay, means in India there are the lofty mountains, the uneven plateaus, northern plains, great Indian desert, the coasts and the islands. Okay, therefore it is known as the land of rivers and diverse topography. Topography means Topography is the physical characteristics of an area of land, especially the position of its rivers, mountains, etc. Okay. Now let us come to the map. India stretches from Kashmir in the north. You can see Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, means the southern tip of the country, and Arunachal Pradesh in the eastern end. You can see the Arunachal Pradesh in the eastern end to the desert of Kutch in the west. You will find the desert of Kutch in the west. Okay, this is next. Means from Kashmir in the east to Kanyakumari, that is the southern tip of the country, and from eastern Arunachal Pradesh to the desert of Kutch in the west. Okay. Now, India is the seventh. India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. It is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. It covers an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. India covers an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. Now, it extends between 8 degree 4 minutes and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude to 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 29 minutes east longitudes. Now, students, what do you mean by latitudes and longitudes? Students, have you ever seen the globe? Okay, these are the horizontal lines. You will find, if you see a globe, you will find latitudes are the horizontal lines on the globe. These are the horizontal lines on the globe. These are known as the latitudes, and the vertical lines on the globe are known as the longitudes. You will find here the vertical lines. These are the vertical lines on the globe, which are known as the longitudes. These longitudes and latitudes are imaginary lines used to locate a place on the map. A place can be easily located on the map with the help of these latitudes and longitudes. Now our next point is the Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north, divides India into two halves. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two halves. Let me show you the topic of cancer. Students, you can find this dotted line. You see the dotted line on the map of India. You will find this one, okay? The dotted line on the map of India. Next, the total length of coastline. Total length of coastline is 7517 kilometers. Coastline means the length of edge of coast. Okay, total length of the coastline is 7517 kilometers. And our next point, India currently has the second largest population in the world. India has the second largest population in the world. In 2017, the estimated total population in India amounted to approximately 1.32 billion people. Okay, it is approximately 1.32 billion people. Now students, you will read up to here. Okay, your homework will be read chapter 7 will be your homework. Okay, stay safe. Thank you.